Hello, good morning. How are you this morning, guys? I'm here on my garden again, as usual, because I want to check my lettuce if they are still okay. Okay, I want to check if they still have water here, so I can add some water. See? Okay. Oh, they still have a lot of water. Okay, nice. Here. Oh, a lot of water again. There's no leak anymore. First day I add water here, there's a leak. But now it seems like it is uh, getting slow, and that's good. So it won't drain fast, the water. Hey, what do you think, guys? Is this a very good idea? Some of my comments, they like this a setup. So I'm just hoping and pray, guys. I'm not really 100% sure that this one will survive, but as you can see here, you should see the leaves. Seems like they're growing. This one only did not. Maybe it will. I just give some chance to grow, but the rest, they're growing good. This is only an update to my lettuce, guys. But I should see this one, the leaves. I don't know what is this. It is like a white mapping mark. This is different one. I really need to replant this one today. Oh, I hope I can replant that one today. Wow, very healthy my lettuce, guys. And here, this is ready to plant too. Oh, good. Yeah, so a healthy one. And here, oh yeah, see? So I need to transfer it now. I don't wanna wait weeks. So because this one is they're growing fast, very fast. I love it. I'm gonna look for an idea where to plant the rest. Oh, I heard some fish flying. It's because we're out of. I need to look some old PVC again here. There are some setting out there. Just a very old one. Philip cutting some wood to build a tripod. It's so early. Guys, I have a bucket here. I want to get some water outside because on the other day on the pitch water to the pan so I can water my pichay. There's the water there. So I need to take some. Hey. So now I need to carry this one. I just grab some disposable glass so I can water here. Okay. You know my pichay, guys. They're still healthy even if in the middle of the on the heat. I really appreciate my pichay. Hi guys, I'm done watering my pichay. Now is the turn of my tomatoes here. We still have water. Oh, they're still wet. They're still wet here. I don't need to water. Or I'll just water some of the parts that is dry. Okay. We just need a little water because they have us not a big patch. Ouch! Ouch! Oh God! The cactus on my side. Kita hurts. Hurts guys. Ay. Kita Here too I'm going to water. Because as you can see here, there's tomato growing fruit. That's unique. This is my flower, guys, seedlings. My rose still okay. See, green. Oh, budget my water. So bye for now, guys. This is good for this morning, and after this one I'm going to cook first food for my brother because they're working on the well, so I need him to feed a good food. And in the afternoon I'm going to make a snack for them. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and please like and comment and also subscribe. God bless you all.